Hey everyone, Buddy here of SLACKROBATS, and we got another conditioning video for you. Today is going to be line dance. So let's do a little ground exercise to warm up. And by the way, we will have props, and you'll need to be barefoot for this one. Okay, little warm up. You're going to step to the back, step to the side, step to the front. Swing the arms too if you want. Told you it's going to be a line dance, baby. Line dance. Do it a couple times on this side, plant the foot, and switch sides. Boom, boom. Bum, ba-da, bum, 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 ba-da, boom, bum, bum, ba-da. All right, you got that? Warm that up a few times. Then we're taking it to the line. Level one, we're going to use one bean bag. Make sure you place the bean bag close to the line, just to the side of it. Not quite under it, but just to the side of it. You're going to come up into a slacker stance. Level one is just going to be picking up the bean bag on the side, putting it across the line, taking a step, picking it up with the other foot, across the line, take a step. Working on that toe precision. Great exercise if you're a rock climber, slackliner, acro yogi. So this is progression one. Side, across to the front, all the way across the line, and then turn around and take it back if you want. Okay, moving on to level two, progression two. Again, starting close, you're gonna set it down. This time you're gonna come up into a slacker stance, and you're gonna take the free foot, come to the back, across the back, pick it up, set it down. Take a step, across the back. Ooh, you can find it. There it is. This one's just a little bit harder, that's why it's progression two. Keeping all the weight on the foot on the line. A slight bend in the knee to help absorb the weight. Ooh. Boom, take that all the way across the line. That's the idea. Moving on to progression three. Progression three, we want two bean bags, okay? Set them both down, one side, close to the line. We're gonna combine progression one and progression two into one exercise now. So we'll grab one, set it across the line and close, take a step, grab the back one, get back the foot. Set it next to it. Take that same foot, pick it up, put it in front, take a step, grab the back one, set it next to it. Boom, you get the idea. It's all about transitioning that weight, keeping most of the weight, all the weight in the standing leg on the line, moving slow and with your breath. Have fun with this one. Line dance, baby. Woo! If you need to make it harder, take the line a little higher. Make you have to crouch down a little more. Practice that dance.